What's up, YouTube? It's Reese's from Reese's Pythons. Wanted to do an unboxing video of a shipment I got yesterday. As you can see, it's been through a rough travel. You'll think it wasn't nothing fragile up in there, but that's how I got it. Bent up, messed up. But this is from TNT balls. I won this package in a giveaway. So I think it was a 200 subscriber. Like I said, I'm glad it wasn't no snake or nothing fragile up in here because it'd have been broken up, messed up. Got a card. I'll read that in a few. And I got my Aspen bedding. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. TNT balls. I thank you. I'm doing this with one hand, y'all, so bear with me. Hold on, let me see. Give y'all a chance to look at me. I'll set my phone down. It's not acting right. Hold on. There we go. What's up, everybody? I was really expecting the package to come today. When I got home last night from exercising, I had a box on the porch. And I had just told my wife I got a package probably coming tomorrow. So she needed to be home. My TNT Bowl shirt. Yeah, you right. There y'all go. TNT Bowl. This is a real nice shirt. So thank you so much, TNT Balls. I really appreciate it. I love it. I read the card to y'all. TNT Balls. If y'all haven't checked them out on YouTube, please do so. They have a real nice channel. Real good people. Congrats, Reese's Pythons. We as a family want to thank everyone for entering in our contest. We also want to thank you for following us and supporting our channel. We're just starting and it really means a lot to us. It really means a lot to have people like you behind us. You're a great supporter. Thank you, TNT Balls family. Thanks again, TNT Balls. I love all the stuff. Like I said, if y'all haven't followed them on YouTube, Facebook, please do so. Real good channel, real good people. It's Reese's from Reese's Pythons. I'm out.